Buongiorno, welcome back to Born on the Way, Natus in Via, and we are finally here in this place on the way of holiness and for St. Francis that our Lord revealed to him through that cross of San Damiano, revealed his desire for him to rebuild the church, and within that to be rebuilt himself. That we see a church very much in need, and Francis had the prophecy at this place as he's building of a group of holy women. So St. Clare, who would 5-6 years later be brought here by him, and the San Damiano was directly under the authority of the Bishop Guido the First, and that she would spend her next 42 years here in great holiness of life, and she would welcome many sisters here and be the inspiration for tens of thousands or more, maybe hundreds at this point, and her blessing continues to be here and for all those who would follow in this way. So join me as we come to this beautiful place, the Church of San Damiano.